Good morning, I'm Lynn and welcome to another day at Ewetopia Farms. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful sunny day. Not sure what we have planned, but you know, there's always something happening on the farm. So let's get started. I know we actually seem to start in the barns, but oh, here comes Andrew to get some more of our bad bales. These are the last of them because we're finished our wrapped hay now. So he's heading up the driveway right now to load bales. But I was gonna say that the first thing I do every morning is feed the birds, whether it's winter or summer. And I got little bird feeders all over the yard. So if we can't live in a nice tropical country, it can at least sound like we live in one, because all the trees around the garden and me feeding the birds and having the water fountains and drinkers and stuff around does attract all the birds that we do have in Canada here. And when you listen over the sound of the tractor, you can hear we have a lot of birds here. Basically like to get just the little jobs out of the way first. So the birds, I just put some water out for the dogs when they're running around outside. Scotty's arrived. Hi, Scotty. Hi. Do you want this? Do you want it? I can see you're waiting patiently. Oh, and our other little lad is waiting patiently out here. Hi, are you hungry? Are you hungry out here? Yeah. There you go, Tommy. Unfortunately, Buddy never reappeared. These two are still here and still happy. Scotty's taken over Buddy's place at this feeder so he doesn't get beaten up by Tom anymore. These are the easy jobs. I like to just get them out of my way so I can spend more time focusing on the sheep and what needs going on here. And if you listen really carefully, I don't know if you heard that. Hi, little buddy. How you doing? Hear that? Now he's buying in the morning. Hi, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Can you get up? See, Mom's actually trying to nudge him to get up. She really wants this lamb up and moving. Hi, and look! Look at you! Aren't you clever? Oh, and he's even trying to nurse. Sorry, I was so busy looking at him, he wasn't on camera. But look at that. He's searching for the nipple there. I might just see if I can get him on. How's that for progress? He's, as you can see, he's far from out of the woods, but boy, what an improvement. Okay, so I got my camera in the feeder. I tried to get him to nurse. He really wanted to, but he wasn't latching on properly. But I just gave him a shot of anti-inflammatory again. And see? Good boy. Take it easy, not too nice and slow. Don't want you choking. You're doing a great job. You're doing a really, really good job, honey. Yeah, you are. I don't hear him rasping anymore. So, because he had so much trouble, I think I'm going to switch him over to a long-acting antibiotic now. So instead of giving him a shot every day, it'll be every other day. But the rasping has definitely disappeared, which will make him feel better. Oh, sometimes you guzzle and you just swallow it down the wrong hole, honey. Gotta slow down a little bit. A little bit. Yeah, I know you're hungry though. But you're doing good. Yeah, want some more? There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job. Good job, puppy. Oh, you gotta have some cough in there. Sometimes they just guzzle too fast and it just goes down a little hard. Have a little cough and then get it out. Okay? See, Mom is really concerned about getting him to go nurse, you see. She nudges him. She's like, get at it, buddy. I'm gonna dry up if you don't start sucking. Good, you're a good mom. You're trying really hard with him. And you're being so patient and gentle. So I think I'm going to go get him some long-acting antibiotics and see if, just get him totally cleared up. Right now, we're going to give Casanova a little loving. He was standing in the middle of the pen looking at me like he needed a little bit of loving. Hey, buddy. Put your head up. There we go, so we can all see you. Yeah. It's funny because when we first got into Dorsets, they were a really wild and squirrely bunch. And we thought they'd never be friendly like the Suffolks. Hi, buddy. I'm getting a little bit swarmed. Hey, there. So, yeah, they were a little bit wild at first, and now they're all friendly. And he walked into the feed trough, and food is always more important. Well, not always, but most of the time it is. My point was that even if you have a wild breed of sheep, you can win over just about any type and get them calm just by how you act with them. They take their cues from you. Sheep are followers. If you're calm, they become calm as well. You know, it's time to start bringing this family group over to the coverall when the lambs start getting into the feeder. Yeah, the two older ones are in here right now. But we're gonna wait. I think this girl is the last one to lamb. So we're gonna wait till we have a full load to go over. And then we'll bring them over. This is the mom we released yesterday. She's a hover mom. She's so worried about her lambs. Those are her two asleep there. And she just hovers over them. Everybody else is eating, but she doesn't want to leave them. So I imagine she goes to eat when the lambs are running around. So she's being a really good mom, but she looks really tired. You should relax a little, Mom. Just lay down with them. Poor girl. But the lambs that make it into the feeder like that, they're in their element. Now they think they're the bee's knees. They're eating with their moms, but they're kind of free, like they're being the bad kids. Kind of like Thelma and Louise. I imagine next step these two will be running around the barn as well. And look who we have here. It's Looney. Say hi, Looney. Aren't you the cutest still? Oh, you are so cute. You can see she's going quite white now, but she's still got her brown tint to her. I got a ram here. Hello. Who's kind of pushing and trying to get into the camera. Who are you? Oh, I can see that you're a baby too. And who are you? And how do you get so friendly without us even knowing who you are? My goodness. Where do you guys come from? Anyway, I thought you guys would like to see Looney. Hi, baby. She's a little cuddle muffin. You'd think she was a toy. She's so friendly and fluffy and cuddly. She's definitely something you'd want to bring to bed with you. And you too. And you too. You're cuddly too. Big cuddly Suffolk ram. Just what everyone wants. Yeah. Oh, you are an angel. So as I sit here petting Looney, I have the peanut gallery back here watching the whole thing. Hi, you guys. You're waiting to go outside. Yeah, you guys are waiting to go outside. And we're going to open the gate for you in a second. We just had to deal with Looney first. Hi, Looney. You are special. Looney might be a nice little sheep to bring to the shows. This morning we have the other side out. A few of them have discovered that the gate's open. Some of them are still inside eating. And here's the running of the ewes. This is the fall ewe lamb group. They see me here, so they're a little bit reluctant. They're like, what is that? Hi, you guys! I know.
I love this, right temperature and everything. Yeah, they're loving this.
And where are you guys sneaking off to, do you think?
They're actually not even hungry yet.
This is the fall ewe lamb group. This is why we don't like fall lambing. Because people don't want to buy lambs in the wintertime for breeding stock. So these guys are here. So that makes these expensive ewes right now. And probably more cost effective for us to keep them and breed them ourselves at this point. Which we don't mind. I mean, this is an extremely good group that people may have missed out on. Because right now these are the biggest deal because they're older. They're really getting really close to being able to lamb. And one thing we were commenting on while we had the camera off was that I'm sitting in this field of dandelions. And when we were kids, if there was a field of dandelions like that, all you would hear was buzzing. It would be filled with honeybees. And I think I saw 2.
Working, Ben? What's that, union hours?
No, he says I'm not. He says I haven't stopped working. I'm just guarding them from afar. That's the ewes. I had to do it in slow motion because they literally were out the entire barn, 200 sheep almost, in 20 seconds. The running of the ewes, not the running of the bulls, the running of the ewes.
He looks back too. He's looking back.
Good boy, Max. Good boy.
Come on, Max. Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy, Mike. Good boy. Hey.
In the lamb barn, we still have that ram over here who shouldn't be here. Arnie's got to catch him and get him over. But tomorrow, maybe, we've got probably a trucker coming who's going to the Maritimes, so to the other coast of Canada. And I've got a buyer wanting 4 more British styled Suffolk ewe lambs. So I've just marked them off for him, who I thought were the most Britishy. So I'm looking for that stocky build. So I got 2 right here, 1 here. She's looking pretty nice, I think. This one right beside her. All nice legs, nice wide bodies, front to back. And I thought this one here, well, she's not holding her legs right now. Oh, and the one walking by. Nice stocky girl. And this one too. I try to get them to look similar. Same body type, same size. I think those four are really nice. I think he'll be pleased with them. You always hate picking for other people, but I don't think you could go wrong with those four. I don't know if Lambert will come up to say hello because he's in the middle of eating right now. Lambert! Lambert! Lambert, remember how needy you were in the past? Hi, who are you? No, see, Lambert's gotten over his neediness. Hi, you sure haven't. You sure haven't. Your sister's a keeper too. Yeah. This is Lambert here. Lambert, we wanted to say hello, to see that you're adapting well. Can you get your face out? Can you move so we can see Lambert? Can you move so we can see Lambert? Lambert, there. Yeah, you could just look at the camera. Yeah, his neediness is over. Parents want their babies to move on and adapt, though, without them. You can see that Arnie's eyeballing Lamborghini again. Oh, he wanted to eat?
He doesn't need to be eating.
No kidding. Oh, Lamborghini. You're choking now.
Some people say Genovas first and then confirmation, and I'm going, we just pick the confirmation and we won't spend the money on Genovas.
Well, Genovas falls in place at that point.
Oh, might be a little too much spread there right now.
That's because you're... There you go, buddy. Are you a handsome boy?
You win them over pretty easy, eh?
Yeah. Hi, you look lovely, sweetheart. And he does have a beautiful head on him, too. We want to keep those heads going.
Have a good rump?
No doubt. And extremely good testicles, extremely good back. And yet, I don't think they can fault his legs either. I can't see too much wrong with that boy.
There's another good one in here, too.
Yeah, my guy. Could be this guy. Oh, these are the little Dorset ewe lambs we let out.
Why is there all lemons up there?
Well, actually, yeah, I was going to say they're not the Dorset ewe lambs.
One Suffolk.
Is there one?
He's probably confused.
But
he
why do
is.
they stay in groups? Here comes another white one. Look at her. Hi. You're a little fluffy face. You can go out, honey. It's okay to go out. They won't discriminate. I will see to it. Yeah, you can go out. It's okay, honey. There you go. Oh, well, because a fly went right by her right away, and they don't like flies.
If you look for the few years that we've been in Suffolk, the Dorsets, we've actually really altered them a lot, eh? In a few years, got them where they should be.
I think so. You just have to work on it, eh? Go join them. We got girls coming out one side, and the boys are heading out on the other side. There's a heavy girl right here.
See, sheep aren't very good runners, eh? They don't run very good, see? What's wrong with them? Why do they run so odd?
What are you talking about?
Come on, guys, get over the floor. Come on, it's a team effort. Team effort.
They get used to being fed at a feeder, so sometimes you just have to encourage them out. They gotta love it today. It is an absolutely perfect temperature. What's going up today? 18 degrees Celsius, I think. Slight breeze. Perfect. And on this side we have the rams. And back there are all the moms. I'm in the tractor with Arnie right now. It's just before the sheep get put in for the night. It's like 7:30 at night. All the sheep are out in the pastures right now. But we're in the tractor. Arnie's got to open all these gates because he went back to check on the cornfield to see if he would be able to plant it, and he got the truck stuck. So we gotta open up all these gates where the sheep are and get out there and see if we can pull our truck out. So when the truck gets stuck in the field, it means it's definitely way too wet to go on the fields and plant. So the corn is going to be out for quite a few more days anyway. Okay, so look at my truck. The tires are just covered in mud. But Arnie's going to back it up the rest of the way so we don't get stuck anywhere. And I'm going to drive it home. Oh, the neighbors are going to come see what we've been up to. So they're racing up here on the four-wheeler. So now Arnie's going to be embarrassed. And there's our farm over there. So the neighbor came to see if we needed help. And of course, when farmers get talking, they talk forever. And you can see the sun's starting to go down now, so we got to get a move on. Well, we made it home okay. I'm off to work on our YouTube video, and as I walk into the backyard here, all the sheep are still out in the fields because this is a perfect temperature for them. So Arnie will start feeding them, and then they'll all start running in. But everyone looks real happy. And I see over here on the other side of the fence, these are the ewe lambs. Hi girls, how you doing over there? You know where the gate is, don't you? I know they've been down the alleyway a few times, but they're not 100% sure about that. But like I say, this is the sheep's favorite time of day as the sun's going down. They don't like it when it's dark, so they're getting in their final bedtime snack. And then they're going to all go in before it gets dark. They know. But look at how long the grass has gotten already. It was only a few weeks ago that it was snow here. And here's Thelma. Where's Louise? That's your mom. Oh, that must be Louise back there. Hi, Thelma. How you doing? Hi. Hi. Are you startled? There they go. There. Now they're gonna head in. Well, all's well that ends well. So I hope you enjoyed your day at Ewetopia Farms. If you did, please give us a like, subscribe, and send us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. And until tomorrow, bye for now.